Welcome to another video. As you can see, the firecrackers from my end. At myself again, my Diwali gift is the Apple Watch. So really happy with the new purchase, and this is how it looks like. I got the blue color, the blue variant. It's looking really nice, and it's basically the Apple Watch Series 6. So I felt that it's better to get the high-end one. So looking really different compared to the other colors, because the newer color that has been launched as well in this particular year. So this is how it looks on my hand. And the lovely thing with this watch is the always on display. Especially this particular watch face is my favorite. So because of the always on display, even if I am turning away from the watch, it can still basically show the time, so I can have a glance at it, so that I don't have to literally do that wrist action, which is sometimes irritating. I had to get the watch from the Apple Imagine store, the premium reseller in Bangalore, again from the Vega City Mall in JP Nagar, Bangalore. Hello everyone. So here again for another Apple purchase today. With me I have Rohan as well. So we are here at Reliance Digital, checking out Diwali offers, some Diwali offers. It seems they are giving some additional discounts. So my to complete my Apple ecosystem, Apple Watch purchase is due. So let's head out and see what shall I get, what will I get eventually. I'm thinking of getting the Series 6, but let's go and check it out inside. Let's go. I did try to inquire in Reliance Digital. There were some offers that were listed out for Diwali, but they did not have any other variant other than the black, the slate gray variant. Other than that, so I just decided to head over to the Imagine store. Finally made the decision to get the blue one. So this time again, the Reliance Digital basically disappointed me. They did not have enough sufficient models or variants. So again, I'm here at the Vega City Mall at the Imagine store to check out the Apple Watches, the different variants. So let's go inside and check it out. Here it is. So just finally decided to go with the blue one, the blue variant. They had a blue one in stock. So the blue looks like. The blue one. I also like the silver aluminum color, but there wasn't stock available. So they did have one GPS plus cellular variant, which I didn't really want, because I didn't really felt the need for having a cellular functionality in the watch. Basically it works based on the eSIM, but I didn't really felt the need for it. And there was a difference of about 9,000 that was there. So this particular watch costs about 43,900, and that particular GPS plus cellular variant of Series 6 is a 9,000 rupees extra. I also decided not to go for the SE, because for a difference of roughly 9,000, again you would get all of these additional features like the always on display, the ECG and the blood oxygen as well. So I felt that anyway, if you are spending, then go for the top end variant in the Apple Watch. So mobile number releases.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು just
Okay.
press ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ
Okay.
you just press
Okay. Okay. ನಾನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ. Your Apple Watch is paired. Set up Apple Watch.
set up.
Left. So done with the purchase. Kodu manadu. One. So done with the purchase. So finally got the blue color variant, and here is the box. And yeah, the watch is over here. It's setting up, syncing. So bought the Apple Watch on the Diwali day, along with my nephew, accompanied by him. Thanks to him for bringing me. Thank you. And again bought it from here, from the Imagine store. Now heading back home. There you go, guys. The watch here now, it says it's ready. Press the digital crown to start. Started it. There you go. It's a beautiful animation of the watch. So this is how the box is looking like. So let's open it up. Let's unwrap it once again. The Series 6 blue aluminum case, deep navy sport band. So this is a new color that has come with the Series 6. With the Series 6 onwards, they are not shipping the power adapter. That's how it looks like. There you see. This is how it looks like in person. It's looking really nice. And this is the watch, the case of the watch. And this is the band, basically the band. So it looks beautiful. The blue lining indicating the type of the color of the watch that I have purchased. So really nice. Then comes I opened it up, and there in this particular case the watch itself was there. This particular paper sort of a strap, cardboard sort of a covering basically. I believe earlier this used to be a plastic or something, but now sort of a cardboard that is there. Then comes some paperwork. It says designed by Apple in California. Get the other stuff. So the charging cable is the only thing that has come, the charging cable with the dock. So let's open it up. Okay, all right, that was very simple. So that's how, so it had to just be opened, and the actual charging dock is here. So you just have to pull this out. All right, so it's a USB-A. There you see. Swiping up brings in all these other widgets that you can work with. Then swiping down basically brings you your notifications and all that. And then you swipe to the right side. This is the other photos related, this one. So it looks really nice. All your gallery photos basically get displayed here. It's a really cool widget, and it also shows your Outlook appointments and all that. So this is connected, and there you go. Magnetically it is basically switching on, and it basically showed this particular widget showing the watch getting charged. There you can see this nicely sits like this. I think with that my ecosystem, the Apple ecosystem gets completed. So I got the MacBook Pro, the iPhone, the Apple Watch, the AirPods Pro, the Apple Pencil, and that basically now closes the loop or the circle of the Apple's ecosystem. So hoping to utilize this particular gadgets for productivity and all of these daily usages, especially for the fitness tracking and so on. So I had this other watch earlier, the Fossil watch, for which I had not done the unboxing as such. But I will basically post a video of this particular watch also. This is also a really nice watch. It's basically a titanium gray sort of a color. That's another reason why I did not go for the gray color or slate gray color in the Apple Watch, because I already had the gray one and the round one, so I can use it for some occasions. The gray one still, that particular watch is also really good, and it allows me to take calls as well from the watch itself. I'm really enjoying it. And this particular functionality of being able to talk to Siri on the watch basically is a really good feeling. So enjoying some of the features and go through the overview of the Apple Watch Series 6. So as you can see, the first thing first, the blood oxygen, the blood O2, the main highlight of the Apple Watch Series 6. the blood oxygen thing works. Then you have ECG on your wrist anytime, anywhere. With the ECG app, the Apple Watch Series 6 capable of generating an ECG similar to the single lead electrocardiogram. Getting the right amount of sleep, it can help you track that. Establishing a regular bedtime routine, keeping track of your sleep trends. You have the fitness app.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking.
Thanks a lot for watching my video, guys. I'll catch you in my next one. Please do subscribe if you haven't already. It's Madhukar signing off for today. Goodbye.